Hi everyone, in today's video we can take a look at a question called Subgame from 2017 Senior 1. So for Senior 1 question, you shouldn't expect a really high difficulty, difficult level, so let's do it. And it has two favorite blah 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 blah. Okay, because I'm reading this for my first time as well, so let's read it together, and I'm actually gonna pause the video. You can pause the video and read it, and when I'm back, I'm just gonna trim all the useless information. Okay, so I hope you read the problem. It's basically uh, there's two teams. There are two teams, and their score both start from 0 on each day. They get some incrementation, increments or incrementation. Okay, I think it's increments. So when you score some points, it's their total score got incremented, and we as I don't know, we like as programmers gotta figure out what is the last day they have the same score. Okay, let's look at the input. N is smaller than 100,000, so I think we can do this in O of n, so which is like way more than enough. Okay, so let's take a look at a sample case. So 3 days in total. Makes sense, yeah. 3 days in total. So on the first day, get increment by 1. Oh, sorry, this one. Second day, increment by 3. 2 and 2. So on the second day, their total score are 2/4, which makes sense, and that's our answer is 2. Okay. So I think like if you have intuition, you can already like know how to do this. But we're still gonna look at the second sample. So we have 3 days. Okay. On the first day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's pretty obvious they never have a same score on the same day in this sample, so we gotta output 0. And yeah, for the sample 3, okay, let's take a look at this. So we have the same score on the first day, 1, 1, but we gotta output the last day, so we can like store it in temporary variable or something. We can update it later. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 6 and 6, and as you can see, they have the same value here as well, so we can update it to 3. On the fourth day, they are both 10, so the answer should be 10 because it's the last day. Okay, let's code this in Java. Okay, and like always, we gotta create a main class, public static void main string args. So I think scanner is fast enough, so let's just use it. Scanner scan. Okay. Oops. That's not the way you do it in Java. And we gotta need two array lists for two array. So in C++, I always use vector, but here I'm gonna use array because you just type license, not array list, blah blah blah. Yeah, so let's say team 1 new int. So let's make its size bigger than, and so it's easier. And now we gotta take all the inputs, and we gotta start from index 1. So because on the day 0, two teams has the same score of 0, so it's easier to sync. Yeah. Okay. And now we gotta create a variable called result, and it will just be our result. We're gonna update it as long as we find like two teams have the same score. So let's call create two variables: team1 score, team2 score. Okay, I capitalized as C. I didn't mean it, but I'm too lazy to change, so whatever. And they both start from 0. So let's loop through all the changes. Oops. Okay. So plus equals to their score on that particular day. So it'll be like this. And team 2 score. And if they have the same score, we're just gonna update our result. If team 1 score equals to team 2 score, then we gotta update our result variable to the current I. So result equals to I, and that's it. We're gonna output the result variable. Okay, let's try to run this first. So copy some sample, this one. Okay. And as you can see here, it shows the answer is 0. So let's plug our code in the dmosh grader. Copy. Paste. Okay, let's go. Submit. Oops. Oops. I submitted as C++ file. So Java 8. Where's Java 8? Okay, there we go. Okay, this is very embarrassing because we got our first test case wrong.
One moment.
Okay, so I did some random debug and I found out like the way I input things is kind of wrong. So we gotta use two for loop, which is sad, but we can make us unset by changing a letter after copying. Okay, I think this one worked now. So let's run some sample. Okay, let's try the sample first. It's first sample. Okay, 2. Seems good. Okay, I'm pretty sure this time this will work. Okay, change to Java. Okay, and as you can see, it's all correct answers. So thank you for watching. I can do some a bit of final conclusion. So I think this question is generally really easy. You just gotta pay attention to like how you sum up everything and store your variables in a smart way, like store our data. And I think like there's like a hidden idea behind this question. It's called prefix sum, which is like you just sum up everything and you can actually store the team 1 score and team 2 score in an array, like separate array, and you can like get like score difference between two times instantaneously. But in this question, we just use a similar methodology to to do this question, like to guess the time when they have like same score. Yeah, okay, I will post like the Python implementation later. So thank you for watching. Bye.